morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm making butter chicken, okay? Butter chicken, and I'm going to show you guys the ingredients, okay? Yeah, it's not much ingredients. Hang on, 2, 4, 6, 8, 7. Okay, it's a bit much. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys. The way I'm going to show you guys is just going to try and make it easy, you know? So you can make butter chicken if you haven't made butter chicken. I like the New Zealand version, which is sweet. So you add in, you know, a bit of sugar at the end, you know, just to make them. I got chicken breast already cut up in cubes in the bowl to put it in, and I've got yogurt. So I have to soak the yogurt with the chicken breast and let it sit for a while you come here and we'll see the next. So you got cream, coconut cream, ginger and garlic, tomato paste, butter, masala, turmeric, salt and pepper, chicken powder, and coriander to add when everything's cooked. Yeah. That's the ingredients right there. I have my rice cooking. It's on the slow one at the moment, so I better start arranging getting this chicken together. I'm going to soak the chicken right now, guys, okay? It's plain yogurt, just in case you guys go and get strawberry yogurt or something. Vanilla yogurt and add it in. Anyway, it's plain yogurt, guys, okay? Soak your chicken pieces in it and let it sit for about an hour if you can. I might not have that, but I'll try. And oh my, who is this calling me? Hello?
Hi, this is Danny from Tallowood. How are you going?
Oh, not too bad, not too bad. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Just a quick...
Sorry, that was my mum's dementia people trying to, you know, arrange a pickup time for my mum. Probably mid-July or end of July. They say, you know, they're going to monitor everything like blood pressure, blood temperature, stuff like that. Anyway, whalawe mai lea whaere ia ka ko video a ia. Say lady. So guys, in the pan. So we're going to start cooking it now, guys. So the butter that I bought, you're only going to chop about that much. Well, I looked at the thing, it's about, put in about 60 grams of the butter. So that nearly flew. Yeah, so you put this amount of the butter and then you let it melt. Okay. So I'll put that there out of the way. See, okay, guys, pay close attention to what we're going to do, okay? So that'll guarantee you a nice butter chicken. So you let this butter melt. Can you guys see? Right. Yeah, so you want 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So that's 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic. Whee! See, so you don't need onion in it, okay? You can if you want, but I'll just do it like this, guys. 3 tablespoons of the masala. So that's 1, 2, 3. 3 1 servings of masala. You stir this. Stir this all together. Because you want to fry these spices, guys. So we're just frying it through. It won't take long too. So you put in your chicken. Get a little bit too. And then you stir it. You stir it through because you want to start the cooking process, you know? Oh yeah. That's what it looks like so far. I'll close the door so we don't hear that rude dog. Chicken breast doesn't take too long to cook, but you must cook the chicken breast right through. Yeah. And while we're here, guys, you add 4 teaspoons of tomato paste. Can you mix that through? I know you're thinking, oh God, what a heap of tomato paste. It's alright, guys. It's going to turn out. Okay? Don't have any doubts. Say, stop it. We're doing this together, guys. So mix it through to get all that lovely colour happening. Yeah. Yeah, I've got the oven down like medium to low, guys. This chicken powder, I'll add in 1 teaspoon. And some pepper, as much as you want or as less as you want, or nothing at all, you know. Because when you do cooking, you don't have to follow precisely how people do it. It's how, you know, you prefer. Oh. The chicken is now cooked, guys, so I'm going to add in the cream and coconut cream. See, guys, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, guys, because I'm used to eating butter chicken with sweetness in it, because that's how I started eating it in New Zealand, and I like the flavour, so I want to continue on, you know, eating it like that. But you don't have to add it in, guys. But the chicken breast is cooked now, so all you need to add in is the 3 more ingredients left, and there's coconut cream, and last of all is coriander, and then it's time to eat, guys. So, see, it's a little jar of cream, 300 ml. I'll put in half. Is that half? Kinda. And then you put half of the coconut cream. I've been shaking it, guys. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. I hope it's, you know, like, it's lumpy. Anyway, just this coconut cream. It's like, look at it, lumpy, and probably down the bottom it's got the, anyway. But it would dissolve, and probably down the bottom's got all the liquid. Anyway, it's about a half there. It will melt down, and everything will come together. Come together like booty booty do 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 do. Bang bang boom ba dim ba dim da 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 da. Yeah 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 yeah. I don't even know the words to that song, but I remember. Oh, it's like yeah. Stop. That's Grease. Grease Lightning. Who likes Grease? Oh God, I can watch that over and over. Olivia Newton-John, the voice of Songbird. Anyway, I can see it's bubbling real good. But I'm going to put in the coriander last of all. but I want to make sure everything is, you know, in there, like the sugar. You don't have to add the sugar, guys, but if you grew up eating butter chicken in a sweet texture like New Zealand does, then you add your sugar. If not, then here's a coriander, guys. Like a handful of coriander. Add it in, stir it up. Anyway, guys, what I did, I added in like 3 more tablespoons of sugar into the mix, guys, because I like it pretty sweet. I know, but that's what I did. You don't have to add it in if you don't want. 2 tablespoons or no tablespoon will be all right. So you let it simmer, make sure it's cooked right through and everything is cooked and nicely combined, and then you know, then you put it together and you eat it. Have a taste. I've already said my prayer, guys. You guys won't be disappointed. Make sure you simmer the food before you put in your coriander, and then simmer it a bit more, so all the flavors can hang out together and make it ooh la la. But so yummy, guys. So if you want to make it at home and impress your guests that's going to come over for dinner, you make this, guys. It wasn't so hard. You know what? Especially now that they have already diced up chicken breast. It'll cut the, you know, the time spent in the kitchen. So you just go and buy it, bring it home, wash it, give it a good wash, and then you soak it in the yogurt. But this is over awesome. Don't doubt they were told me. And with the coriander, yum. I love coriander. So, if you don't want to go out for butter chicken, make it at home with your family. So good. So good. Anyway, guys, if you guys decide to make this, let me know that you've done it. I'm so happy to hear even people in Hawaii, America is cooking the food that I put up, New Zealand, and here in Australia as well. Well, the people here in Australia, I hear that they've been going to the places that I go and eat, if they live nearby. Far out. That really makes me happy, because it tells me that you guys are supporting the local businesses, supporting people that's, you know, like they're finding it hard too, like with this COVID that came along and just slowed everything down. Guys, it's so awesome that you guys, you know, love food and then go and support. But this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. You know what? I can't wait to hear what you guys think. If you guys haven't made butter chicken before, I can't wait for you guys to let me know how your fellas one went. You know? Oh, I saw on Sinbad's, because Sinbad is Samoan recipes on Facebook. Yeah, well, there's a lady named Loretta. She made supuesi, and then she put it up. She made it for herself and her mum, and she put it on Sinbad's Samoan recipe Facebook page. So guys, if you don't know, go look it up on Facebook if you want to join in. And then you watch people, you'll see people put their recipes up. You'll see people showing their cooking. And you'll see me there too, guys. You'll see Vinny there too. So it'll be nice, you know, if you guys can look them up on Facebook and let them know that this mama sent you guys there to hang out. Say good support. But anyway, guys, I'm going to continue on finishing this, and I'll see you on my next video. I don't know what that will be, but you got to tune in to watch. Wait a while. Have you guys subscribed? Okay, this is where you press down there, push to subscribe, and then there's a bell next door. Go up to the bell at the top, press it, and then that will let you know, like, that I've got another video up, so you guys can come over and hang out with me for a while. Okay, if you just push subscribe, then you won't always see my videos. Okay, so you guys might think, where's that old lady and her cooking and her mukbangs? And no, it's because you didn't go over to the bell, lift it, push the subscribe, then there's a couple of bells, go up to the top bell, and that's the bell that will always let you know when I've walked into the door of YouTube. Wailoa. Anyway, you guys all take care, look after your parents, be good to each other, and I'll see you on my next video. Fasoi fua. God bless you all, and thank you all. Let me tell you something. Anyway, a person named Sarah had come on and mentioned, like, she doesn't like how people farms down, you know. Okay, I understand that now. With YouTube, there'll be always people going around. Once they just have to look at it in the beginning to farm it down. You know, they got no consideration for the people that go and do their contents and that. No, they just go ahead and farm it down and move on their merry way and probably see another. But you know what? I've overlooked that. It doesn't bother me. You know, it doesn't bother me because the YouTube people say, if they farm it down, it's another interaction with your videos and with your channel. So even if they have, you know, like inconsiderate intentions towards our creations and what we bring up on our videos, it's all right, guys. And I thank you, though. I thank you so much for coming in, you know, having my back and sticking up for me. Thank you so much. You know, I really appreciate that. But you know, I have this uneasy feeling when I see, like, you know, like sort of like bickering and or fighting or whatever on my channel. Oh, I really do. I just think, us guys, we just keep it all nice and positive, you know, because we like to stay positive. Because if we stay positive, then we stay happy. Yeah. But if we let things like gloom over us, it's going to be on our faces. It's going to be on our mind. It's going to be in our heart, because it does hurt when things are looming over us. So the best thing we can do, guys, is just see the positive side of it and think, like I said, if I've made that person happy by farming it down and I put a little happiness in that person's day, oh well, that's a point for me then. What do you think? Okay, but I appreciate you guys coming and sticking up for me on my channel. Thank you so much. It goes to show you, I have the best viewers out there. Okay, guys? I know you guys watch other people's videos, but to me, you guys are my viewers, and I appreciate you guys so much. Faso for